file it away on a drawer somewhere where no one ever sees it again. Because the purpose is to help align and motivate people. So we need to remind people about that.
That keeps us down.
Kid-like plastic critters.
Yes, I'm here because I don't know your product. You do. So then what do I do after that? Send drugs around and then collect some data.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
So you want to set up Joey.
So I'll do build profiles slash. Yeah, that's the immediate deeper benefit.
And the car.
Yeah, and or the car.
Install setup.
And then you had the one. I think it's an overall experience, right?
Back, I'll ask if one person from each team would stand up, read out your vision statement, just whatever form you wrote it in, read it out. We don't need to hear kind of the whole backstory.
Every day she lost sleep thinking about the innumerable risks her child might be taking on the road. One day, the neighbor's son wrecked and ended up in the hospital.
Thinking about how we're going to build it yet, but sticking again to why are we building it and what are those key benefits? What problem are we solving?
I don't think anyone's ranking customers. Our product flips retailing on its head and it ranks features.
So this is where we actually, this could actually be second. So not the point, right? That's
Big farm comments would be like, that's kind of, that's what it's like.
There'll be chances to go back.
Basically that. You have no information.
That's good. That's a great point. Yeah. So functioning tech.
Yeah. So whether it's just true.
If someone new, it would be like if someone we know would get some type of history and they score rating.
Deeper benefit is their child safer.
Maybe it's a fun add-on feature, yeah.
Yep.